Hello grade 1 students and welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed the first two videos. Today we're gonna continue with Unit 4 Plant and Animal Structures Lesson 3. What body parts help animals meet their needs? Keep in mind when we say meet their needs, it means get what they need to stay alive in order to survive, otherwise they will die. Now, for the first part today, we're gonna make a quick revision of the first part of the lesson and then we're gonna continue accordingly. Parts to find food. Different animals use different body parts to find the food. Let's check out and see. How do animals use eyes and ears to find food and stay safe? A tiger hunts mostly at night. It has eyes that can see in the dark. So, the tiger has special eyes that allows it to see in the dark to help it hunt its food at night. Otherwise, it won't be able to hunt its food and it will die. That's why it has special eyes that helps it see in the dark. What about the dragonfly? A dragonfly has eyes that can see in all directions. This helps it find insects and stay safe from birds. So the dragonfly has special eyes that allows it to see in all directions, so it could find the insects easily and protect itself from the birds that want to harm it. So they're asking us draw a line under two ways animals use their eyes to find the food. So for the tiger uses its eyes to see in the dark so it could hunt easily. Whereas the dragonfly uses its eyes to see in all directions so it could find its food easily and protect itself from the birds. What about the fox? A fox hunts for food. It has ears that face forward to hear animals. And we're gonna watch in the video in a bit. How does the fox use its ears to hear the animals under the snow? Let's check and see.
Clever canine has an amazing set of skills. Deep snow covers the black hills of the Dakotas, and hidden under that icy blanket, field mice are stirring. The odds of catching anything might seem hopeless, but not to him. Enormous leap to catch a critter under 3 feet of snow. But how the heck did he do it? He's homing in on something. But it takes immense concentration, and he needs complete quiet. His ears can pick up the faintest scamper from beneath the snow. But there's a catch. He almost always comes up empty-handed, unless he's facing north. But how's that possible? As unbelievable as it sounds, scientists now think he's actually homing in on the magnetic field of the planet, using it to calculate and plot his trajectory. The kind of math missiles use to hit their targets. Just the slightest distraction can throw him off. But if he's got the North Pole in his sights, he's guaranteed a meal nearly 75% of the time.
What about the rabbit? A rabbit uses its nose to find plants. It has ears that turn. It listens for animals that might want to eat it. So the rabbit uses its nose to find the plants that it eats. And then it has ears that turn around and order wide to listen if there are any animals that might want to eat it coming from far away in order to protect itself. Let's watch the video. What about the bat? A bat uses its ears to find food. The bat makes sounds. It listens for the sounds to come back to it. So the bat uses its ears to find the food using a system called echolocation. Now we're gonna watch a video to explain more about it.
Bats are able to catch prey and navigate in the dark by using echolocation. They emit an ultrasonic call either from their mouth or nose leaf. This call bounces off of any object in its path and comes back as an echo. Bats listen to their echoes to determine the size and texture of the object, how far away it is, and what direction the object is moving in. They also can use echolocation to communicate with other bats. Bats emit ultrasonic calls ranging in frequency from 11 kHz up to 212 kHz. Most insectivorous bats echolocate in the 20 to 60 kHz range, which is beyond what the human ear can hear. A device called a bat detector helps us to hear their echolocation by converting these ultrasonic calls into an audible frequency. Each species of bat that uses echolocation has a unique call, and this can be used to identify them. Here are a few examples.
So it's time for some exercise. Let's wear our thinking cap on. Are you guys ready? Circle the animals that eat other animals. Draw a square around animals that eat plants. One more time. Circle animals that eat other animals. Draw a square around animals that eat plants. We have a wolf. We have a polar bear. And we have a deer. Take a minute to think. Which animal eats other animals? Which animal eats plants? Let's think. Are you guys ready? Well, correct. The wolf and the polar bear eat other animals, whereas the deer eats plants. Now, what about the parts that different animals use to eat the food? Let's check and see. We studied this part last week, but we're gonna go over it quickly one more time. What about the bear? A bear has sharp claws to grab fish. It has sharp teeth for tearing food. A deer has front teeth for pulling up plants, and it has flat teeth for chewing plants. A frog has a sticky tongue to grab insects. It pulls the insects into its mouth to eat. Animals use body parts to grab and eat food. So each animal uses a different body part to grab and eat the food. For example, the bear uses its sharp claws and sharp teeth to grab the fish and tear it apart. The deer uses its front teeth to pull the plant and its flat teeth to chew the plant. What about the frog? The frog uses its sticky tongue to grab the insect and pull it directly into its mouth to eat it. So animals use body parts to grab and eat food. Do they all use the same body parts? No. Different animals use different body parts to grab and eat the food. Exercise time. Let's wear our thinking cap one more time. Which body parts can animals use to grab food? Choose all the correct answers. When we say choose all the correct answers, it means we have more than one. A. Claws. B. Teeth. C. Tongue. So which body parts can animals use to grab food? Choose all the correct answers. Take a minute to think. Claws, teeth, tongue. Which one is it? Well, correct, it is all three. The bear uses its claws to grab the fish. The deer uses its front teeth to pull the plant. And the frog uses its sticky tongue to grab the insects. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video.